Every year, over 13 million transmissions fail worldwide, and most of them could have been saved. But here's the good news. You can double the life of your transmission just by following a few smart habits that most drivers completely ignore. In this video, we're breaking down the lesser-known tips that actually protect your transmission, not generic advice like use good fluid. These are real, proven actions that mechanics swear by, and skipping even one of them could cost you thousands. Let's get into what really makes a difference under the hood. Number 2. Warm up your vehicle before driving in cold weather. When temperatures drop, transmission fluid becomes thicker, and it doesn't flow as well through the system. Cold fluid doesn't lubricate the internal components properly, which leads to increased friction and wear, especially during those first few minutes after a cold start. Jumping in your car and taking off right away puts a lot of stress on the transmission. It's like sprinting without stretching first. By letting your engine idle for just a minute or two on cold mornings, you're giving the transmission fluid time to warm up and circulate evenly. That quick pause makes a big difference over time. According to transmission service pros, most cold weather failures happen during startup or within the first 5 minutes of driving. So taking this small step doesn't just improve performance, it helps prevent long-term damage. If you're in a region that sees freezing temps regularly, warming up your car before driving is one of the easiest habits that pays off big in the long run. Number 3. Avoid coasting in neutral. A lot of drivers believe coasting in neutral saves fuel, but in modern vehicles, that's just not true, and it's actually hard on your transmission. When you coast in neutral, the transmission isn't fully engaged, and that means the internal components aren't being lubricated the way they should be. Automatic transmissions rely on fluid pressure generated by the engine to keep everything running smoothly. Shift into neutral while moving, and that pressure drops, reducing lubrication and increasing wear on parts like the torque converter and clutch packs. Over time, that wear adds up, and it can lead to premature failure. Plus, coasting in neutral takes away your ability to respond quickly in traffic. There's a delay in re-engaging the gear if you suddenly need power. Number 4. Use engine braking on descents. When you're in drive and constantly braking, the transmission stays engaged and can begin to overheat, especially in heavier vehicles or when towing. Using engine braking by downshifting into a lower gear allows the engine to slow the vehicle naturally, reducing reliance on your brakes and helping maintain safe speeds without overworking the transmission. This method keeps transmission temperatures lower and prevents fluid from breaking down under pressure. In vehicles equipped with manual or semi-automatic modes, this is as simple as tapping down a gear before a descent. For automatics, many cars have a L or S mode for this exact purpose. It's a habit many overlook, but over time it can protect internal components and dramatically reduce heat-related wear. On long drives through hilly terrain, engine braking is one of the most effective ways to take the pressure off your transmission. Number 5. Avoid frequent gear shifting while in motion. Inside every automatic transmission is a complex network of clutches, gears, and hydraulic systems that rely on precise timing and pressure. When you change gears before coming to a complete stop, you're forcing those components to fight against the momentum of the vehicle, putting intense stress on the internal parts. Over time, this habit can wear down the gear teeth, damage the clutch packs, or even snap internal shafts. It's especially harmful in cold weather, when fluid is thicker and slower to respond. Always come to a full stop before switching between drive and reverse, even if you're just maneuvering in a parking lot. That extra second of patience protects some of the most expensive parts in your car. Number 6. Install an external transmission filter. Over time, metal shavings, clutch material, and other debris circulate through the fluid, gradually wearing down vital components. Installing an external transmission filter adds an extra layer of protection by trapping finer particles that the factory filter might miss. This keeps your transmission fluid cleaner for longer, which means better lubrication, smoother shifting, and less internal wear. It's especially helpful in older vehicles or those used for towing, where the transmission works harder and generates more debris. The best part? External filters are relatively inexpensive, and many are easy to access for future servicing. Transmission repairs or replacements can cost thousands, but a high-quality external filter setup usually runs under $100. It's a simple upgrade that significantly reduces the risk of premature wear, helping your transmission operate efficiently for many more miles. Number 7. Avoid prolonged use of spare tires. Most spares, especially space-saver donuts, are smaller than your regular tires, and that mismatch can quietly wreak havoc on your transmission. When one wheel spins at a different rate than the others, the drivetrain has to constantly compensate. In front-wheel and all-wheel drive vehicles, this creates uneven stress that's especially hard on the transmission and differential. Driving like this for extended periods causes the transmission to work harder, generates excess heat, and accelerates internal wear. Even full-size spares can be a problem if the tread depth doesn't match the other tires. That difference in rolling circumference throws off wheel speed sensors and traction control systems, leading to poor shifting behavior and unnecessary strain on the transmission. Always treat your spare as a temporary fix. Get your original tire repaired or replaced as soon as possible. Number 8. Regularly service the engine's cooling system. In many vehicles, especially automatics, the transmission fluid is cooled through a separate passage inside the radiator. If the cooling system isn't working properly due to clogged hoses, old coolant, or a failing radiator, the transmission can overheat right along with the engine. And heat is the number one reason transmissions fail early. Fluid breaks down faster, seals harden, and internal parts start to wear out long before they should. By regularly flushing the cooling system, replacing the thermostat, and checking the radiator's condition, you're not just preventing engine problems, you're giving your transmission a longer, healthier life. Neglect here can lead to slow shifting, slipping gears, or even total failure. Number 9. Avoid towing beyond vehicle capacity. Vehicle's towing limit isn't just a suggestion, it's a hard line set to protect the engine, brakes, suspension, and especially the transmission. When you exceed that limit, the transmission has to work overtime to move the extra weight, which causes it to generate far more heat than it was designed to handle. This kind of stress leads to fluid breakdown, worn clutches, and overheating, some of the most common causes of transmission failure. You might not notice a problem right away, but damage builds up fast, especially during long hauls, in hot weather, or when towing up steep grades. Even with a factory tow package, it's critical to stay within the manufacturer's rated capacity. If you tow regularly, consider installing an auxiliary cooler and servicing the transmission more often. Number 10. Be cautious with aftermarket modifications. Upgrades like engine tuners, turbo kits, oversized tires, or performance chips often push more torque and stress through the drivetrain than the stock transmission was ever built to handle. Without properly upgrading the transmission to match, all that extra power leads to slipping, overheating, and accelerated wear on clutches and internal gears. Even something as simple as reprogramming shift points or adding larger wheels can throw off transmission behavior if not calibrated correctly. And many aftermarket changes void warranties and go unnoticed until the damage is done. If you're serious about keeping your car long-term, every performance mod should be paired with careful planning and supporting upgrades like a transmission cooler or stronger clutch packs. Skipping that step turns a fun mod into a $4,000 mistake.